Here we observe the Eufy Omni S2 robot vacuum in its natural habitat. With its softly glowing core, this remarkable cleaning species navigates the terrain with quiet precision. Notice the transparent upper shell, allowing us to witness the internal system at work as it actively processes its surroundings.
Oh, hey guys, I didn't see you there. Welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks.
Hello.
Today we're taking a closer look at the brand new Eufy Omni S2. According to Eufy, this is their most advanced robot vacuum to date. What makes the Omni S2 different is that it's the first robot vacuum in the industry to achieve 100 air watts of real cleaning efficiency. Not just peak suction, but usable power at the floor. Air watts measure how much air actually moves debris. So this isn't about short bursts of power, it's about consistent, effective cleaning over time. Designed to deliver long-lasting, deep clean using some serious, impressive technology. Let's break it down. According to Eufy, the Omni S2 delivers a long-lasting deep clean, designed to maintain long-lasting strong suction, even after months of daily use. That matters because most robot vacuums feel powerful on day one, but slowly lose performance as that filter tends to clog. The Omni S2's multi-cone cyclone system separates dust before it reaches the filter, helping keep airflow strong over time. And according to Eufy's lab testing, this allows the Omni S2 to maintain full cleaning performance up to 365 days without suction decay. So let's go ahead and rewind and unbox this thing. Fragrance refill, hard floor cleaner, Alright, so this is everything that you get out of the box, and I have to say it would be quite intimidating if I haven't reviewed many robot vacuums in the past. But let's just dive right into it. So obviously we have our base station here, really cool color. It's almost got like a gold bronze metallic feel to it. Definitely a very interesting design. I really have to say it has a really high class feel to it. That's all there is to it. So this is our base station locked and loaded. All right, so this is our robot vacuum. Definitely a very cool looking one. And if you look at the front side here, you'll see that it actually has a transparent case. So you can actually see the inner workings. Of course, you can go ahead and remove the top cap, but inside here is where the magic really happens. So you have our Aero Turbo 2.0. So this is not your traditional kind of catching bin. So it was a lot better for sucking up different dust as well as debris, and this will lock right back in. Our fragrance refill that it also came with, box here, just go ahead and open that up. And you'll see these little pods. Check that out. So this is super duper cool. So these here are our fragrance. So just gonna take one of these guys out. Look at that, it's got little gel caps in there. And it's got different scents. And then there's a spot that says top, so we'll just go ahead and slide this in, and then we'll just cap it. So pretty interesting. I've never seen that before. All right, so as we kind of look at the front side here, you'll see a few different things. It has our 3D data, f2.4, RGBD, it's like dual cameras, a light, 3D data, and then it has a push sensor, and also has something called Cleaned Mind AI. So definitely a lot going on. Now it also has something called Corner Rover, which is this particular robotic arm that does come out. So you can go ahead and reach the corners. You have your physical buttons as well. And then of course on the bottom side here, so you also have these two brushes on the front. And the design of this particular spindle is designed in a way where it's separate in two pieces so it doesn't catch any hair and would get caught into it. Now it does have an active suspension system, so you can see the flexibility, and then it has a single mop roller. This is best for making sure it leaves no streaks, and then it also slides out from the way it looks. Yeah, all in all, it is a really cool looking concept. So with that said, time to set this thing up next and try it out. So setup was straightforward. The Eufy app walks through the Wi-Fi connection, and mapping is step by step. One thing that immediately stood out to me was the real scene 3D mapping. The Omni S2 recognizes different furniture, floor materials, and room layouts to create a detailed 3D map of your home. The core focus of the Omni S2 is long-lasting, deep cleaning performance. Most robot vacuums that I've reviewed lose suction over time as that filter tends to clog up. The Omni S2 uses a multi-cone cyclone system, which separates dust before it actually reaches the filter itself. This helps maintain a stronger airflow, and as a result, the Omni S2 is designed to maintain 30,000 pascal suction and 100 air watts of cleaning power for up to 365 days without any suction decay. Alright, so enough of that, let's move on to the real world testing. I tested the general debris pickup. Onto our white powder test. The combination of 30,000 pascal suction and consistent airflow allowed the Omni S2 to pick up the debris efficiently in a single pass. Next up, we'll try out our pom-pom test. Now these are a little bit bigger and they're balls, so they can actually kind of scatter around. So let's see how the Omni S2 holds up. Now the Omni S2 was able to pull in the pom-poms without scattering them across the floor. Traditionally speaking, most robot vacuums will scatter them, but this is actually consistent suction where it really matters. On carpet, the Omni S2 automatically increases suction and lifts its chassis to handle thicker surfaces, even up to 5 centimeters. It also adapts its strategy for fringe and thinner carpets, so it cleans without ever getting stuck. Now I didn't actually have a full 5 centimeter carpet on hand, but Eufy designed the Omni S2 to automatically lift and boost power for thicker carpets when detected. Next up is our hair test. This included both long hair as well as some shorter strands. Omni S2 anti-tangling brush system picked up the hair cleanly, with minimal wrapping around the brush. This is especially important in homes with pets or long hair. Mopping is handled by HydroJet 2.0. The roller cleans itself 4 times per second, spinning at 240 RPM. It also uses a 29 centimeter roller, the longest in the industry, with 32 water outlets for smoother and even more coverage. So as it mops and picks up stuff, it will automatically clean that mop pad so it doesn't actually spread anything throughout. It dynamically extends the reach to within 5 millimeters of edges and applies 15 newtons of downward pressure for deeper cleaning. The system uses electrolyzed water to help achieve 99.9% floor sterilization. And of course, the upgraded dual squeezy strips help prevent dirty water from dripping back into the floor. I spilled some milk directly onto a hard floor. It used the HydroJet 2.0 roller mop to clean the spill without spreading it across the floor. The result was a visibly clean surface, and the mop was automatically cleaned during the process with this built-in system. And now, time for our final test, which is the obstacle avoidance test. I went ahead and set up a quick little obstacle course to see how does this robot handle a variety of different objects. Let's take a look. So not surprising, this robot did it very well. It was able to go ahead and adjust itself and keep its distance based on the different objects, and still clean efficiently. CleanMind AI helps the Omni S2 recognize obstacles, thresholds, and furniture, which means fewer stuck moments and safer navigation around kids and pets. And onto our Omnistation. Now the Omnistation brings everything together for a true hands-free experience. It handles 60-degree hot water mop washing, automatic dirt detection with rewashing, drying, auto refill, and auto emptying. This means very little manual maintenance required between cleanings. One design detail that I personally found that was really unique is the transparent top window. you can actually see the internal system working in real time. That soft glow gives an almost living mechanical feel while it's cleaning. In daily use, the Omni S2 feels refined and intelligent. The 3D map is accurate, edge and corner cleaning are handled with extending brushes and mop coverage. So yeah, the Eufy Omni S2 is built for people who want true long-lasting deep cleaning, not just surface level maintenance. It combines long-lasting suction multi-cyclone technology, advanced AI intelligence, a self-cleaning mopping system, and a powerful 12-in-1 Omnistation into a complete system. It's definitely a premium robot vacuum, but it delivers a very complete and hands-free cleaning experience. Well, with that said, if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, we will see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.